Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of awesome watch faces for you all to check out. Just trying to get you ready for the work week. Now the weekend is pretty much almost over and the Monday grind will begin soon. Now listen, this watch face here is very unique. It's very different. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this one is geared more so toward ladies or is it okay for men? All right, the name of the watch face is called Circular Viron. Now Viron gets down on some watch faces. I do like the design of this one. I do like the uniqueness. Is geared toward fitness to a degree, but it is not interactive as well. Now it looks really good in the AOD mode, but once it's on, what you're going to get is an analog clock, which I like, very traditional, gives you your date inside of it, and you're going to get your step status info along with your battery, and that's going to be it, and that's going to be all. But the design is definitely one that's unique. Again, make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Okay, you all, this is watch face number 2. It's going to be free for only 3 days. So you get a 3-day trial on this one. And this one is nice. I like the look. I do like the design of this one. The name of it is called KT. I'm going to say digital. I don't know if it's a typo with the spelling of the name of this watch face, and it's version 2 of this particular watch face as well. Now the look, the design, for everyday wear, for the work week wear, this is not a bad look for a watch face. It's geared toward fitness, and it's going to give you a digital time at a glance with no problem. So in the AOD mode, you're going to get the exact same look. It's going to be in color. I thought that was different compared to most watch faces, which is blacked out for the most part. This one is going to stay in color. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get shortcuts at the top. You can go into your phone calls, your messages, your music, also your settings. So if you need to tweak your watch, you can. And you also can go into your step info and your heart rate information, battery. You're going to get your date. I'm liking this look. For a fun watch face, or everyday watch face, this one isn't bad. Now, it is interactive, so if I tap or I want to make a phone call, I can make a phone call. Same thing with the steps and the heart rate. If I tap there, single tap, I can go into that. Same thing for my battery and also my date. So if I need to go in and set an event, I could do that with this watch face. You can't customize the color. I do like the background because the background brings out everything else. So it's a good look for a digital watch face. Remember, it's only a 3-day trial and then it's going to turn paid. How much? I am not sure. But listen up, people. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.